little lamb.
Welcome to our YouTube channel, My Little Lamb. My name is Mohammed.
Welcome to our YouTube channel, My Little Lamb. My name is Naeem.
Welcome to our YouTube channel, My Little Lamb. My name is Omar. Welcome to our YouTube channel, My Little Lamb. My name is Alia. Never ever leave the experiments unattended.
Remember not to eat and not to play in the lab.
Never put anything in your mouth. Remember always to have an adult nearby. Balloon blower. You will need a bicarbonate of soda, vinegar, a drinking bottle, a funnel, a balloon, and a teaspoon. It releases a gas called carbon dioxide. Yo, this time it's faster. Yo, it releases so much at a time.
You will need washing liquid. Then you will need toothpick. Then you will need a plate. Then you will need food coloring. Then you will need milk. A mess.
You'll need honey, sunlight liquid, sugar syrup, a beaker, water, and oil. We will be pouring 10 milliliters of each liquid. Density means like honey is like the thickest. So density is mass over volume. Volume is how much space it takes up. Mass is how much the weight is. Mixing colors. We need food coloring, water, and glasses. Blue and yellow makes green. Blue and red makes purple. Red and yellow makes orange.
Bye! See you next episode!
My little lamb.